Unboxing with Elliott. Unboxing with Elliott. Unboxing with Elliott.
Not Elliott.
All
what
right.
are we unboxing today?
Whoa, why is there a full child?
Yo,
you know what?
why
Get
is
out
there
of here.
a
Get out of here.
child?
Get out of here. Get out of here, child. I don't want to pay child support. I already have tax fraud on me. All right, next up. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, what does it say on this pan? Wait, hold up. Use me for the last bag. Okay. So, all right, let's try. Oh, a flip. Okay. Yo, there's a full-grown man. All right, anyways, let's see what's in here. Whoa, eggs and some Sprite. All right, next up, we got a football. Nice catch, cheer.
I don't know.
Ooh, a flashlight. I can use that. It's Milo. It's Milo. It's Milo,
No.
bro.
I'm your mascot. Don't hurt me.
All right. Anyways, next up, we got this bag. All right. Let's see what's in this bag. Ooh, we got some yummy stuff. Ugh. All right. So don't use it yet, bro. All right, we're saving that for last. All right, so now. Oh. All right, now, come here if you want to. All right, come here. We're gonna make my special. We're making Morocco pancakes. And now for the last one, bro. Hopefully he gives us something good.